Hello, 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 hello. Very good evening, all my dear students. Just to let me know, am I audible and visible to all of you, all my dear students? Ashi Priya, very, very good evening. Lakshmi, Salvi Singh. Now, this is your final day. Everyone must be scared of. My dear students, remember that. You know about yourself only. आपको सिर्फ आपके बारे में पता है, लेकिन आपके टीचर को आप सभी के बारे में पता है. Your teacher knows about each and every student. And let me tell you, my dear students, before we start this sample paper, most expected Neet 2026 paper, I would like to say one thing that everyone is scared of. So don't worry, my dear students. Very good. Thank you, Ashok Kumar, Shalvi Singh, Aranya, everyone. My dear students, I would like to say one thing that the examination means that everyone is scared of the examination. So, my dear students, don't worry about that, what will happen in the examination. Just think about that. You have to study hard, you have to do your revision, and then you have to do your best in the examination. Are you ready for that? Everyone, just to let me know. I would like to see the green signal in the chat section that everyone is ready. So everyone is ready. This is your Baba H.S.P. So how Baba H.S.P has produced number of ranks that you can see from this slide, that these are the toppers, and I never work for toppers. Your Baba H.S.P is working day and night just to give best marks according to your performance. So without wasting even a single minute, Baba would like to move through. First of all, the inorganic chemistry portion is the most difficult one. So I will start from the inorganic chemistry. Is it okay, kids? Baba, your Baba H.S.P is going to start from inorganic chemistry, right? Right, kids? I'm going to start with inorganic chemistry. You have to see the question and then you have to give the answer quickly. What I can see that there is a slight lag. There was a lag. Now see, check it out. Now is it okay? Yeah, Ovya Lakshmi, I will start class for 2027 also. Already molarity, normality, that has been started, but I will talk about that later on. Right now, inorganic chemistry. Is everyone ready? Show me the fire in the chat section if everyone is ready. And here is your question number 1. You see, here is your question number 1. Just try to get the answer. Everyone just try to get the answer for question number 1. The correct order of increasing first ionization enthalpy for calcium, barium. Now for this question, you should know one thing very well, that what is the position of elements in the periodic table. Now see, argon is at the last. So argon is in all the options is at the last. Now see, calcium and barium. If you talk about calcium and barium, my dear students, then you will see beta, manganate, Kanya, Sundar, Bapuji Raji, or Beta Mange car scooter, Bapuji Raji. And on moving down the group, ionization energy decreases because the size increases. Size increases. Size increases. So outermost electron goes far away from the nucleus. That means calcium and barium, calcium is over here, barium must have least ionization energy, least. Are you getting my point? It will have least ionization energy. So it has to start with the barium, ending with argon and starting with the barium. I will go for the first option, A. Ashipriya, fantastic, fantastic. Now, shall we sing fantastic? A is the correct answer. Question number 2. The difference between electron gain enthalpies will be maximum in between. Difference between electron gain enthalpy will be maximum in between. So let's see. We know that a zero group elements have positive electron gain enthalpies because their octet is already complete. Octet is complete. So they do not want to gain electrons. Zero group elements, they do not want to gain electron. Unko electron chahiye hi nahi. You have to give forcefully them the electrons. So Shini is going for 3. Okay, neon. And if I talk about chlorine, chlorine is the element which is having maximum electron gain enthalpy, that is negative. If you see chlorine, that is maximum, and I would like to say it's minus 349 kilojoule per mole. I'm not saying that you should remember the value, but it is having minimum, that is negative, and that is having positive. So this difference is looking to be the maximum. Now, in between helium, neon, argon, krypton, that also we have to find out, because at 2 places there is chlorine, helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon. On moving down the group, the size will keep on increasing. So let's see. This is the correct answer, because argon is like this: helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon. So you see neon is over here, and that's why this is the answer. And see, even I have told you the value also. Got it? Now another question. Another question. Live session duration is just 90 minutes, not more than that. 1.5 hours, not more than that, because you people are not having too much time. Jaldi se jaldi complete karenge, fast. Now another question. The number of anti-bonding electrons present in O2 will be. This is, I would like to say, a tough question. Tough question. Let's see how many of you can get the answer. The number of anti-bonding electron. For that, you should know sigma 1s, sigma anti-bonding 1s, sigma 2s, sigma anti-bonding 2s, and because it is 16 more than 14, so pi sigma 2pz and pi 2px is equal to pi 2py, then pi antibonding 2px is equal to pi antibonding 2py, then sigma antibonding 2pz. This is the order in which electrons will get filled. Am I right, kids? If you know this order, then you can easily fill the electrons. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. How many? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 15, and 16. What should be your answer? the number of anti-bonding electrons present in O2. Let's see, 2 to 4, 5 and 6. Oh, you are better than Baba. So 6 is the correct answer. You have done, yes, before Baba's answer. That's really fantastic. First, very good, fantastic, congratulations. Another question. Which of the following orbital combination does not form pi bond? Very good question. Awesome question. I would like to say it's awesome question. Let's see who is going to solve it. Baba is there. Baba is there. And Baba is watching your answers, everyone's answer. Which of the following orbital combination does not form pi bond? Awesome question. A. Ashipriya is going for A. Px, Px. Sidewise overlapping. Anyone else? Anyone else? Only Ashipriya has given the answer. Shini is also going for 1. Other students. B. Sushil Kumar is going for B. Salvi Singh is also going for B. Okay, 11, fantastic. Yeah, you can watch recorded one. Now see, second is the answer. Ashipriya, you have lost it. Now see what they are saying. Why your answer got wrong? Px, they are saying sidewise overlapping. Sidewise overlapping, if we go like this, sidewise overlapping, definitely they will form a pi bond. So it's a pi bond. It will definitely form a pi bond. Now dx square, y square and py. Let me make it dx square, y square. Just see. This is x-axis. If I say this is being x-axis and this is being y-axis. X-axis and y-axis. If I say x square, this is being x square and this is being y square, right? X and y. So x square, y square. Now they are talking about py. So this is x and this is y. And if I bring another orbital like y over there, now they are saying sidewise overlapping of this, py. So if I bring over here, it will collide with this one. It will collide with this one. It won't be able to reach over there. So it won't be able to form. It won't be able to form what? Pi bond. Got it? Now, another question. Very good question. Just see to it, everyone. Baba is standing over here. Just read it out properly, everyone. सभी लोग ध्यान से देखिए इस क्वेश्चन को. Everyone. Hello, good evening, Verma ji, good evening. Everyone just see to it. The spin only magnetic moment value for FEC and 6,3 negative is this one. From this line and from this line, what value you are able to get? So I'll be able to get one thing very clearly, that here number of unpaired electron is 1 because its Bohr magneton value is 1 point something, and here the number of unpaired electrons is 5 because its Bohr magneton is 5.92. Agreed? Once we are able to get the number of unpaired electron, we can get an idea about, too much idea about the compound. Just see. Its unpaired value is getting 1. That means it is strong field ligand. It's being a strong field ligand. So number of chances are like D2sp3, inner orbital complex. This is supposed to be inner orbital complex. इसकी ज़्यादा संभावना है कि ये inner orbital complex बनाएगा. Now you see FeH2O, this is forming outer orbital complex because H2O is a weak field ligand, so it will form sp3d2. Now my dear students, one thing is very clear. Just see, if I write down iron, iron's atomic number is 26, so reverse it, 62, 3d6, 4s2, and if you see here 3 negative, so 3 plus, and here 3 plus, so 3 plus. So if I form iron 3 plus, I will get 2 electrons going from here and 1 from here, 3d5. Now 3d5 will look like this, 3d5, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4 5. This is the case with the weak field ligand. Now if the ligand is strong, then that ligand will shift these electron over here. Now if I say this is with a weak field ligand, and if I say with a strong field ligand, its value will look like this. 2 electrons will get shifted, 1 2 3 4. So see, this electron will come over here and this electron will come over here. So 1 2 3 4 and 5. So 2, only 1 unpaired electron is left. So 1 point is clear. 1 point is clear. In both complexes, Fe is present in +3. So this is also true. That is being also true, but it is not explaining that one. So A is true, B is true. Both A and R are true, but R is not the correct explanation. So C is the correct answer. How many of you are able to understand, kids? Do let me know. It was really awesome question. It's based on coordination chemistry. It was marvelous question. भाई मुन्ने दी जान, बहुत प्यारा क्वेश्चन था, मजा आ गया और मजा आएगा तो एग्जाम में सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस बढ़ेगा, and that self confidence will be the killer motivational thing that will give you the selection. मेरे प्यार बच्चा, वही सेटिस्फेक्शन आपका सिलेक्शन कराएगा. अभी सेटिस्फेक्शन आपका एग्जाम में कल सिलेक्शन कराएगा मुन्ने दी जान. Okay, now another question. Just see options at the last. Options at the last. First, try a brain. Just everyone brain or brain. Very good, shall be seeing. Very good. Aparna, yes. Ashif, very good. Everyone just see. Look at the screen. Now the question is speaking about that the number of entities from the following which have a square pyramidal structure. Now to form square pyramidal, we should know one thing, that the hybridization must be sp3d2. Hybridization must be sp3d2, and one thing should be there, one lone pair must be present, one lone pair. For that sp3d2 hybridization, the number of sigma bonds must be 5 and one lone pair. 5 sigma and one lone pair. It should be like this. Then the structure will come like this. And one side a lone pair will be there and one more bond will be there. Are you agreed that here will be the metal or non-metal and the donor one must be there? A. So this will form square pyramidal structure. Agreed? Now let's see. The central entity must have 5 sigma bond. It must be forming 5 sigma bond and one lone pair. Now let's see, some people are saying 2 options. Let's see PF5. Now PF5, 5 plus 0. BRF4. BR is having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One negative charge. 4. 1 fluorine, 2 fluorine. Now 4 sigma bonds only. How it can form? No, it cannot form 4 sigma bond. IF5. Let's see IF5. Iodine 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sigma bond. This is our required one, BRF5. So it's like this, it's like this. This is also going to form BRF5. Now XeOF4, Xe 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, double bond O, 1 sigma and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1 lone pair. This is also one. ICl, only 4 sigma bond. This can't be. So these are the options 1, 2, 3. So I would like to go with the second option. I would like to go with the second option, square pyramidal structure. Let's see. Wow, Baba di H.S.P. Yay, kids. So speedily, Baba has solved this question. This is very fundamental based question. Really nice question. प्यारा प्यारा बच्चा लोग, ये बहुत ही प्यारा क्वेश्चन था. एग्जाम में आप कंफ्यूज हो जाओगे एंड आप बनाने लग जाओगे. योर too much time will kill. Now see how to solve this question. Always form sigma bond like this. This is one pi bond. Do not draw the whole structure. पूरा स्ट्रक्चर बनाने की जरूरत नहीं है. एग्जामिनेशन में पूरा स्ट्रक्चर बनाने की जरूरत नहीं है. शॉर्टकट में चल रहे हैं. Paper solving is one thing, essay writing is another thing in the examination. Do not write down each and everything. Write in short because time will be less. Have you got it, kids? Now, another question. Just say another question on your screen. Number of ambidentate ligands in a representative metal complex. This is, so how many ambidentate ligands are there? What's your answer? So answer is very clear. If you see SCN, Sachin Bhai, even this can be donor, this can be donor, that can be donor. So it is ambidentate. So what's your answer? Definitely answer will be, how many ligands are there? They are 4. So 4 is the correct answer. Another question on your screen. Iron having highest hydration enthalpy among the given alkaline earth metal. Definitely the water loves, water is like Ma. Baba, because of you now I am able to do all organic questions. Hats off to you, Ovya Lakshmi. That's really fantastic. Shini, good. Now see, water is like mother. Water is like mother, and mother loves whom to be maximum. Water is like mother. Can you tell me, mother loves whom to be maximum? The smallest kid or the biggest kid? If I say this is the smallest one and this is the Beta Mangu ka sar 12, this is the biggest one. Mother's maximum love is for whom? The smallest one is smallest one. Mother's maximum love is for smallest one, beryllium. Beryllium 2 plus will be the answer. This is the answer. Mother's love is always maximum for the smallest kid or kid. Smallest. This is the smallest in size. So mother's love is maximum for this one. Smallest. Smallest. Always remember that hydration enthalpy is directly proportional to the charge and inversely proportional to the size. You must have studied this thing. Mera pyara bachcha log, everyone must have studied. Now another question. You see, first of all, this is from metallurgy, and metallurgy is very simple. You see, kids, how to do it. Now nickel, boron, nickel, Mond's process, I will say like this, and rest of the thing I don't know. Now D is 2, D is 2 in two options. D is 2. D is 2 in two options. Now what to do? Anything else, you know? Van Arkel, zirconium. Zirconium is for Van Arkel or John refining. Can I go for this? C is 1. I don't know. C is 1 in both the two options. C is 1 is given. Now what to do? What to do? Some are going for 1, some are going for B. Let's see. This is the correct answer. A is 4. A is 4. Boron is John refining and B is 3. Tin is liquefaction. Rest of the things you know very well. So next question. The density of alkaline metals will be in order. One thing you should remember, that beryllium is not alkaline earth metal. It's not an alkaline earth metal. It's not an alkaline earth metal. Remember that. It's not an alkaline earth metal. So leave it. Rest of the things, the density will be, oh my god, alkali. Oh, this is not alkaline. Why I have written it was not required. Alkali metals. Oh, it was not required. It was not required. Not required. I have seen like alkaline earth metals. It's not required. Now, what should be the correct answer? This is very, very easy and toughest question. This one is very, very easy and toughest question. Now it's not that easy, kids. There is one exception. At one place there is exception. Now see, let me tell you. On moving down the group, like Helena, Ki, Rabu, say Faryad, leave that. Leave hydrogen and leave francium. This is radioactive and this is both. Now size increases. Size increases on moving down the group, and when the size increases, generally the density decreases. Once the size is increasing, density decreases. What at one place there is exception. Remember that. At one place in the density there is an exception, and that place is sodium and potassium. There is exception. Now tell me what should be the answer. Where is exception? Pyara bachcha log, here is exception. Here is exception. Now definitely sodium and potassium, it should be it is according to this, potassium should have less, but I think potassium will have more, and cesium and rubidium, cesium should be at the last. So what should be answer? Tell me what should be answer, everyone. Ashipriya is going for D. Now see, maximum will be cesium. Oh, least will be cesium, or maximum will be cesium. Ayyo, Ranga Swami, what is this? What is this? So see, wow, yes, this is the correct answer. Ashipriya, your answer is absolutely correct. And now see, sodium and potassium, there is an exceptional case. It's like this. Otherwise it is increasing. But see, density of alkali metal increases down the group with the exception of potassium. Okay, therefore the correct order of density is like this. But kids, you got it. Everyone, maximum. Yes, maximum. Okay, now another question. The structure of beryllium chloride in solid state and vapor phase. Oh my god, beryllium chloride is like this. BeCl2. Now I have left Pushkal. Sahana, welcome Sahana, welcome. Now my dear students, the structure of beryllium chloride in solid state and vapor phase. That's very, very frequently asked question. Frequently asked question. Let's see how many of you can do it, kids. Quick. I will take just 50 minutes more. I will try to complete in 50 minutes. Now see, this is most important question. Very, very important question. Very, very important question, kids. Let's see what's the correct answer. And this is given in NCERT. It's given properly in NCERT. Everyone, give me the answer of this question. This is given in NCERT. Raj Singh, very good. Everyone, chain and dimer. Only who is giving the answer? Ashi Priya is giving the answer, and Bhuvneshwar Nath, welcome. Let's see, Bhuvneshwar Nath and everyone. Chain and dimer. So see, it's the chain structure. Barium chloride has a chain structure in solid state. So see, you can see it's a polymer. It's a huge giant structure, and this is like dimer only in the what? Chain and dimer. Now see how to get it. In vapor phase, that means, so if you don't know, by chance, if you don't know the answer, if you have not studied NCERT properly, by chance, for this question, if you have not studied your NCERT properly, how to do it? Now see, the thing which is in vapor phase, that means very, very less molecules, because in the vapor phase they have to be the lighter one. When you go in when you go by air, by flight, they will never ask to carry too much weight. When you go by train, whatever the amount you want to take along with you, there is no restriction. But when you go by flight, restriction is always there. So you can't carry too much weight in the flight, because that is aeroplane. So consider it to be aeroplane. You are going by aeroplane, and here you are going in solid state, you are going by train. So in the train, it's a huge one. It's a huge one in the train, and it's very, very small weight in the aeroplane. Everyone, कैसा लगा? कैसा लगा ये explanation? SP2, yes, SP2, yeah, very good. Now everyone, another question. The number of PO, oh my God, this is really awesome question. Arjun Reddy, welcome. Now see the number of PO bonds in HPO3 whole thrice. Now see how it has got formed. If you don't know the structure, let me tell you how it will get formed. Just see. If I say this is H3PO4, if you heat it at 600 degrees Celsius, heating, you will get removal of water. So you will get P double bond O, OH, and coordinate bond O. This is an oxy acid. This is known as orthophosphoric acid. Orthophosphoric acid. And this is your metaphosphoric acid. Phosphoric acid. Oxidation state is +5. It is highly unstable. So it will trimerize or it can polymerize. Two things are there. Either it will trimerize or it will polymerize. But they have asked about trimerize. So you have got HPO3 whole thrice. So how to draw the structure? Just see. Oxy acid, all they are being oxy acids. So see, P double bond O, P, O, P. How many P? 3 P's are there. So 3 P's I have drawn, right? Now, what I have supposed to draw? OH. Now just check it out. How many valency? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, So it's one p double bond O is missing and it's one p double bond O is missing. So they are asking the number of p double bond O. What's the answer? Everyone, what's the answer? Yeah, very good, Bhuvneshnath, you are right. Now what should be the answer? Definitely the answer is 3 and you got the structure. Everyone. Yeah, that's really fantastic. Another question on your screen. Once again, it's from coordination chemistry. In which of the following octahedral complexes entity the magnitude of this will be maximum? For this to be the maximum, one thing is required. Remember that metal should be in highest oxidation state with strongest field ligand. Remember that this is required. Metal highest oxidation state and strongest field ligand. Now you see cobalt 2 plus, cobalt 3 plus, cobalt 3 plus, cobalt 3 plus. So this can't be the answer. Now cyanide, oxalate and ammonia, all they are being strong field ligand because cobalt 3 plus oxalate is also acting as strong field ligand. Now out of these, which is the strongest field ligand? Now see, the strongest field ligands order is like this: EDTA, educated Neha is teaching English. That's why Knight is right. In Canada and Colombia, and Colombia. So Canada and Colombia. My answer is for second. What you say? Cyanide is strongest field ligand. So I would like to go with second. Yay! Hey. Rest of the kids are sleeping. Only few people are able to get the correct answer. H.S.P Gaming, welcome. Now see, another question on your screen. Oh, which one of the following order is correct for bond dissociation enthalpy of halogen molecule? Bond dissociation enthalpy means whose bond is of maximum strength. Okay, my cool tube, I will tell you GRB reaction. So remember that if I talk about chlorine, and if you see the chlorine belongs to 3p, so it is having lone pair and it is having vacant 3d. 3d is vacant. It is having lone pair and it is having vacant 3d. So they will do resonance. This lone pair will go in this and this lone pair will come in this. So actually chlorines bond dissociation enthalpy will be maximum. Now I have given you hint. So let's see what is the correct answer. Now those who don't know this thing, they can do one thing. Chilled bro. Florida to India. In Hindi, I can write, Chalo bro, Florida to India. Chalo bro. Chalo. चल मेरे भाई, चलो ब्रो. फ्लोरिडा से इंडिया, अपना इंडिया, मेरा इंडिया, ओ प्यारा इंडिया, वतन मेरा इंडिया. चलो ब्रो, फ्लोरिडा से इंडिया. चलो ब्रो, फ्लोरिडा से इंडिया. Just like that. Cl2, Br2, F2, I2. How is the trick, kids? This is for bond dissociation enthalpy. Do let me know. It's good for bond dissociation enthalpy. This is the trick. Nice trick. The awesome trick. Now, another one. Singer Baba, thank you. Now here is once again the question from coordination chemistry. Just see to it. What is the correct electronic configuration of the central atom in K4Fe6 based on crystal field theory? Now you see, assuming those you are scared for tomorrow's exam, already I have told you. Don't worry. Everyone is sailing in the same boat. So keep on doing questions. Now K4Fe and CN6. Now Fe's oxidation state is 4 plus x minus 6 is equal to 0. So x is equal to plus 2. So iron is 26. So 26, I would like to write 62. So 3d6, 4s2, 2 have gone. So Fe 2 plus 3d6, say 4s0. So 3d6 and strong field ligand. This is a strong field ligand. So 6 electrons will pair up. They will pair up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 D2sp3. Now that means the electrons filling will take from here and they are paired up. Paired means the high spin, and it is inner orbital complex and they are paired. So T2G and EG is like this. This is T2G and over here is EG, and the energy is in this order. Now you can see the answer. This is the energy. So pairing of electron took place. So what should be the correct answer? Now I hope everyone must got it. Everyone must got it that all the electrons will be filled in T2G6. T2G6. So you got the answer T2G6. Are you able to understand? Do let me know. Basically everyone fears. Wow, Arjun ready? Yeah, hey, great. Now you got it. Everyone got it. Do let me know everyone. Is it clear? I hope that I made it very much clear. Now another question. Which is the correct thermal stability order for oxygen, sulfur? Oh my God. Now, should I give you one trick for this? Should I give you one trick for it? Should I give you one trick? Just see. Just see, Baba is going to give you one trick. Usse tipo. O, so, se, tipo. Now, oxygen is more electronegative, so its bond length should be like this. Its bond length should be like this, and its bond length will be maximum. Bond length will be maximum, so bond angle will be least. Bond angle should be least. As bond length is increasing, bond angle will keep on decreasing, right? Now you see whose bond will break. Now let me give you the trick. Let me give you the trick. Trick is hydrogen is very, very small. So रिश्ता बराबरी का अच्छा. Bond of equality is very good. You can solve any question of P block. This is a P block question. Bond of equality is good. Bond of equality is good. What does it mean? That bond of equality is good means small cation, small anion, good relationship. Large cation, large anion, good relationship. But which one is worst one, poorest one? Small cation, large anion, or large cation, small anion, bad relationship, bad bonding will break very easily. Now you can get it. This is poorest bonding means will have least thermal stability. This will have maximum. Now everyone can answer it. Now see the answer. All the questions. Ashipriya has given the answer. You are liking this trick? Ashipriya, have you loved this trick? Really the awesome one. Sahana, by this trick you can solve any question of P block. Any type of question. This is the thermal stability. Even this is the everything you can do. All the questions you can do by this thing. Sahana, very good. Now everyone, organic chemistry now. Organic chemistry. The most stable carbocation. Quick. The most stable carbocation. Fast. Definitely the most stable carbocation. It is having 9 alpha hydrogen atoms, so stabilized by hyperconjugation. 9 alpha hydrogen, so stabilized by hyperconjugation and stabilized by inductive effect. It is 3-degree carbocation. So D should be the correct answer. D. Now, the strongest acid from the following. This will take some time. The strongest acid from the following. Strongest. Shanti Moy Mandal, welcome. The strongest acid. Definitely this is having negative charge. 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 And what from meta? From meta only minus I works. Only inductive effect works. Minus I or plus I, whatever. Inductive effect is applicable. Inductive effect is applicable. Rest of the things are not applicable. So this will be the answer because it will decrease the charge. Charge will get decreased and acidic strength will get increased. So this is the answer, right? Now this is the answer. Another question. Which of the following is strongest base? Now remember that for strongest base, always whenever it is going to come in your examination, its lone pair is delocalized doing resonance. Its lone pair is delocalized doing resonance. Its lone pair is delocalized doing resonance. But its lone pair, it's sp3 hybridized. Rest of they are being sp2, sp2, sp2. So this is sp3. It is localized, and this is benzylamine. Rest of three are being aniline. They are being aniline, and this is the only one which is being benzylamine. So this is going to be answered. D is the answer. Fourth one is the correct answer. Now another question. Phenol on heating with chloroform NaOH gives salicylaldehyde. The reaction is known as. No need to go further. It's very simple. Riemer-Tiemann reaction. This is Riemer-Tiemann reaction. Everyone, you can see it. It's being Riemer, zil, zil, zil. Benzyl, benzyl, benzo, Riemer-Tiemann. Very good. Now another question. All right. Let's see who is going to solve this question. Do it immediately. Everyone, do it immediately because this is going to be the very awesome question. Hal-Vollard-Jelensky reaction. Hal-Vollard-Jelensky reaction. A is this third. A is wing 3. A is wing 3. A is wing 3. So this can't be the answer. Now iodoform reaction. For iodoform reaction 1. 1. B is 1. B is 1. B is 1. B is 1. 1, 1, 1. So even this can't be the answer. Now, Etard reaction. C is 2. 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 So this is your answer. Everyone got it. This is your answer. A is the correct answer. Very good. Congratulations those who have got it. Fantastic. Now another question on your screen. The catalyst used in Rosenmund reaction. Rosenmund reaction is Lindlar's catalyst. Your Lindlar's catalyst. So it's very simple. Lindlar's catalyst. H2PD barium sulfate. This is the answer. Now another question. In the Hofmann-Bromamide degradation reaction, the number, oh my God, tough question. This is a tough question. For this, either to you cram it out or you do the whole mechanism. 4 moles are required. 4 moles. That means RCONH2 plus Br2 plus 4 moles of KOH are required, my dear students. So 4 moles of NaOH or KOH, either NaOH you can say or KOH, whatever you want to take. See, third will be the correct answer, 4 moles. So over here also given 4 moles. See, this can't be the answer. This can't. 4 moles of NaOH and 2 moles of Br2. 4 moles of NaOH and 1 mole of Br2. Oi Baba, very tough question. Now what should we do? Yeah, 1 mole of Br2, 4 moles of NaOH. You see Baba's reaction. 1, and 4. Got it? Baba is great. On heating an aliphatic primary amine with chloroform, ethanoic potassium hydroxide, the organic compound form. This is your carbylamine reaction, right? It's being carbylamine reaction. Carbylamine reaction, what do you get? Isocyanate, foul smell, bad smelling compound, foul smell, carbalamine test, and this is isocyanate. Isocyanate. So fourth will be the correct answer. Very good, Sahana. Fantastic. Fourth. Now another question. What is the structure of the major product when phenol is treated with bromine water? White PPT will get formed. White PPT. White PPT of white PPT of 2,4,6 tribromophenol. 2,4,6 tribromophenol. A will be the correct answer. Wow, fantastic. Another question. Deficiency of which vitamin causes osteomalacia? Vitamin D. Rickets in kids and osteomalacia in adults. Now another question. Decreasing order towards SN1 reaction of the following compound. Now in SN reaction, carbocation will get formed. Carbocation, 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 and the rate of SN1 reaction, rate of reaction for SN1 is directly proportional to stability of carbocation. Am I right, kids? Stability of carbocation. So which carbocation is being more stable? Can you let me know? Everyone, can you let me know which carbocation is more stable? This is minus M. So it will put plus charge, charge increased, stability decreased. This will be at the last. This will be at the last. A1 will be at the last. So these two can't be the answer. Now OMe is giving electron negative, negative, and this will be at the first, starting with B. Starting with B. First will be the correct answer. First one. First one, starting with the B and ending at the D. First one will be the correct. Oh, I have done wrong. Oh, kids. Baba got trapped. Baba got trapped. Sorry, kids. Baba got trapped. Baba got trapped. Baba and 99.9% even doing it got trapped. Why? They have done it properly. They have done it properly. Its maximum rate and its least rate. But then also they got trapped. See, they got trapped because they are not able to see the arrow. Missed arrow. Missed arrow. Now, even you know each and everything, then also you got the wrong answer, negative marks, because you missed the arrow. You see, this arrow is toward this side, so maximum is B. Maximum is B. So these are the wrong answers, and starting with B, only one option is there. So fourth is the correct answer. Everyone got it? This is the correct answer. Oh my God. Very good question. Rumba Sulbam, mind-blowing question. Wow. Everyone, is it clear? Do let me know first of all, is it clear? Its charge is least. Charge decreased and stability of carbocation increased. So it will have maximum rate for XN1, maximum rate, and it will have least rate. I hope, is it clear to each and everyone? Now, another question. Decreasing order towards SN1 reaction for the decreasing order towards SN1 reaction. Oh my God. Benzyl, once again, it's more stable because of plus M. Charge decrease, stability increase, and here minus M, charge increased. So once again, oh, B, oh, already answer is given. Oh, that is the explanation. Sorry, kids, that is the answer. This is this is the answer slide. Sorry, Sahana. Sorry. 1 bromo 3 chlorocyclobutane when treated with 2 equivalent, oh my god, 1 bromo 3 chloro. Now one thing, remember that chlorine is nearest and bromine is far away. So this is strong bond and this is one weaker bond, right? So this will break. Treated with 2 equivalents of sodium in the presence of ether. So it will combine, like bromine will break, chlorine will not break. What's reaction, right? Bad condition of environment. What environment? Too much thunderstorm is there. I think light will go and already it's gone. Oh, when treated with 2 equivalents of sodium, that means it's only 1 equivalent. They have taken 1 equivalent of this. So 1 equivalent of this, that means from here chlorine will go and from here bromine will go with twice of Na and bond will get formed. Fourth will be the correct answer. Fourth will be the correct answer. Now everyone, are you getting my point? Fourth is the correct answer. However, it is unstable styro compound, but it will get formed. It swing unstable, but then also because it swing 1 equivalent only, that's why it will get formed. Another question. The major product formed in the Friedel-Crafts acylation of chlorobenzene. So chlorobenzene is like this and it is being ortho-para-directing. What do you think? If you do its acylation, that means CH3 CO plus is the attacking agent. What do you think? Which major product formed in the Friedel-Crafts acylation of chlorobenzene? So definitely these can't be the answer. Answer will be either this one or the fourth one. What's your answer? Although we know that it's minus I is greater than plus M, but then also it is OP director only. OP director, remember that it's being OP director only, although its minus I effect is more than D. D is the correct answer because steric hindrance, less sterically hindered, less sterically hindered. Very good. Very good question. Remember that it's from NCERT. Light has come. It's from NCERT kids. Very good, Bhuvneshwar. That's really fantastic. Another question. Formaldehyde can be distinguished from acetaldehyde. This is your formaldehyde HC double bond OH, and this is your acetaldehyde CH3 C double bond OH. Now it can be distinguished. Schiff's reagent, no. Tollens reagent, no. I2 alkali, yeah, it will give on I2 and NaOH, it will produce yellow PPT of CHI3. CHI3, yellow papita, yellow papita, low papita, yellow papita, and that will not produce. So I2 and alkali will be the correct answer because tollens, phalanx and Schiff's, all they will give. No, tollens, Bhuvneshwar, tollens is not the correct answer. They all are aldehyde. Both of them are being aldehyde. This is also aldehyde, that is also aldehyde. So both of these two will give tollens, phalanx, Benedict, Schiff's reagent. So iodoform test is the correct answer. Now another question. Reaction between acetylene and methyl magnesium bromide. Acetylene is like, there is ene, but it is alkyne. Remember that there is ene, but it is alkyne and it is having acidic hydrogen. Acidic hydrogen, and this is reaction with methyl magnesium chloride. Methyl magnesium chloride is CH3 MgBr. Now my dear students, it's a very tough question. Now see kids, know that this is a very strong base, very strong base, so it is always in need of acidic hydrogen. So what type of reaction will take place? ABN bole to acid base neutralization. So this will get converted into methane. Now that is not given. Reaction between acetylene and methyl magnesium chloride by hydrolysis will give. Reaction between acetylene, methyl, no option is getting matched. No option is getting matched. No option is matching. Tertiary butyl alcohol, wrong. That is wrong. Here it will be acetone. It should be acetone. If it would have been acetone, then only the answer will be B. Acetone on reaction with methyl magnesium bromide gets CH3, MgBr and hydrolysis. So this will act as nucleophile. It would have attacked as nucleophile. So you must have got a compound like CH3, CH3 and this as CH3 over here and tertiary butyl alcohol. Then it would have been tertiary. There methane is the answer. Here acid electrophile, it is acting as electrophile and that is acting as nucleophile, and there it was acid base neutralization reaction. Remember that. Got it? Everyone got it? Thank you Bhuvneshwar, thank you. Now everyone just see, an unknown alcohol is treated with Lucas reagent to determine whether the alcohol is primary, secondary, which alcohol react fastest. Definitely tertiary butyl alcohol will react fastest. Why? Because it is being most basic. Tertiary alcohol is being most basic. Tertiary alcohol is most basic. Why it is most basic? It's the reason is that all plus I, they are donating electron. So here maximum electron density. That's why it will react fastest within fraction of seconds. So remember that if Lucas reagent is attacking, Lucas reagent is an equimolar solution of concentrated HCl anhydrous ZnCl2. ZnCl2 will attack first and it will form, it will react with this and definitely that will get formed like this, O positive H ZnCl2 negative. So it will form a carbocation and carbocation formation says SN1 mechanism. So tertiary alcohol by SN1 mechanism will be the correct answer. Second, that's fantastic. Now another one, Cannizzaro reaction is not given by. Now my dear students, Cannizzaro reaction, you see no alpha hydrogen, no alpha hydrogen. So this can't be the answer, this can't be the answer, this can't be the answer. Cannizzaro reaction is not given by, this is having alpha hydrogen, so this will having alpha hydrogen, so this will not give Cannizzaro reaction. Now another question, the major product formed in the following reaction. So see Br2NaOH, जब भी मैं Br2NaOH देखूं, जब भी मैं Br2NaOH देखूं, मेरा मन दो बातें बोले, hello hello happy birthday. Whenever I see Br2NaOH, my mind will speak hello hello happy birthday, hello hello happy birthday. जब भी मैं Br2NaOH देखूं, मेरा मन दो बातें बोले, hello hello happy birthday. Now here happy birthday means Hoffman bromamide degradation, and here oh, it's not ketone. Ayyo, it's not my choice. It's not ketone. Ayyo. So only happy birthday. No hello form. No hello form. Ayya Rangaswamy. So hydrolysis, if you do the hydrolysis of ester, R C double bond O O R H O H, so it will form acid RCOOH. So C double bond OOH. And if you heat it, on heating, water will remove Shankara. Oh my Shankara. La 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 la. Where you are given? Where are you? Oh my dear, you got it. Second, very good. Second is the correct answer. Fantastic. Another question on your skill. Oh. Now, physical chemistry. Last topic is physical chemistry. Here is first question. Just see to it. Organic we have done, inorganic we have done. Now it's a time for physical. 2/3 we have done. 66.66% we have completed. Wow, Bhuvneshwar, that's really awesome. You're rocking. They have not mentioned. Okay, Shini, wait. If they have not mentioned, you know, happy birthday reaction, Hoffman bromamide degradation. Water is formed over there. Once the water or KOH is formed, we will do hydrolysis, right? Now, a compound is formed by two elements, X and Y. The element Y forms cubic closed O, not in syllabus. Not in syllabus. It's from solid state. Delete it. So leave it. A 1 mole of ideal gas is allowed to expand reversibly. Now see, 1 mole of ideal gas is allowed to expand reversibly. Just make a figure in your brain. There is one cylinder. Always remember that. There is 1 mole of ideal gas into it. It is fitted with weightless, frictionless piston. It is fitted with weightless, frictionless piston, and now it is going up slowly. It is moving up slowly. That means somebody is removing sand particles slowly. So it has moved slowly और यहाँ पर आ गया धीरे धीरे से पिस्टन तुम ऊपर जाना धीरे धीरे से एक्सपेंड कराना छोटे छोटे सैंड पार्टिकल्स को आप हटाना धीरे धीरे से पिस्टन को ऊपर ले जाना गागा वेरी गुड गागा नाउ धीरे धीरे very slowly in infinite steps this piston will go slowly up and adiabatically from a temperature adiabatically means बाहर से हीट अंदर न आ सके अंदर से हीट बाहर न जा सके बोलो कभी ऐसा हो तो क्या हो एडियाबेटिक सर मेरे 25 दोस्त ने मेडिकल कॉलेज विथ रैंक वाओ नाउ दैट मीन्स फ्लॉट फर्स्ट लॉ ऑफ थर्मोडायनेमिक्स delta U is equal to Q plus W. This is not allowed, so change in energy is equal to W. This is an adiabatic process. Now temperature 27 degrees Celsius means 300 Kelvin. The work done is 3. Work done they have given. W they have given. The final temperature of the gas given. Now you know that change in internal energy is equal to NCV delta T. NCV delta T. You can find out W they have given. W they have given how much? 3 kilojoule. Number of moles, 1 moles we know that. CV they have given 20. What is missing? Only change in temperature, and change in temperature I can write delta U is equal to NCV T2 minus T1. The final temperature we have to find out. If we got delta T, one temperature we know very well. Can you solve it? Okay. Now Let me solve it. Here it is joule and there is kilojoule. There is joule, there is kilojoule. So 3000 joule, right? I have written 3000 joule. So W is given 3000 joule. So I have, in place of W, I have written 3000, right? Now NCB delta T, N is 1 mole, CB is 20. Delta T, I can find out delta T. How much delta T will come? Delta T will come out to be 3000 बटे 20. 0 has gone. 150. 150, am I right? Am I right? 150. 300's half is 150. So in place of T2 minus T1, T2 minus T1 is equal to 150. And T1 I know, so T2 I can count. This will go that side, 150. And starting is 300. 300. So answer will be coming out. Oh, okay. Delta T have they've asked. The final temperature of the gas. Kids. Oh, the temperature will decrease. The temperature will decrease, kids. Final temperature will be lower and initial temperature is higher because the work is done on behalf of this adiabatic process. So final temperature will be less. Final temperature will be less. Final temperature is lesser than initial, right? Than initial. So what should be the answer? Baba, yeah, I have done it wrong. Yeah, it will be 150 because it is doing work on behalf of its internal energy. It is doing work on behalf of its internal energy. So final temperature will be lower. Okay, got it. So delta T is 150. Delta T is 150. It was 300 Kelvin. So it will be, the difference will be 150. Third will be the correct answer. Third will be the correct answer because expansion means adiabatic expansion means cooling will take place. Cooling will take place, right, kids? Cooling will occur. So this will be the correct answer. Cooling will occur, right? So everything I have done wrong or right? Kids, are you able to understand? Each and everything Baba has done perfectly correct. Right? Got it? Now another question. First of all, do let me know this is clear to each and everyone. If clear, I would like to see the green signal in the chat section. If it is clear, do let me know. Do let me know, kids. This problem is clear to all of you. The solution is clear to all of you. Do let me know the solution is clear to each and everyone. Hey, everyone, just to let me know. Very good. Shini, it's clear. Everyone, it's clear. Very good. Ashi Priya, it's clear. Now, next question. If 5 moles of BaCl2 is mixed with, oh, gets fantastic question. Take your time. Take your time. If 5 moles of BaCl2 is mixed with 2 moles of Na3PO4, the maximum number of moles of this will get formed. How much time you are going to take? Just see to it. Wow, great question, kids. Great question. Let's see how many of you are able to solve this question within fraction of seconds. Aparna, welcome. Shalvi Singh, Ashi Priya, Bhuvneshwar, everyone. Do let me know. Let's see how many of you can solve this question. Let's see who is going to give the correct answer. Kids, fast. Fast. Do let me know. What's your answer? First, Sahana is going for first. Fantastic. You see, 3 moles of BaCl2. How to do it? The maximum number of moles of barium phosphate is getting formed. So how to get it, kids? Sahana has got the correct answer, but people, how to do it? Let's see. Those who don't know, BaCl2, phosphate, Na3PO4, and what they are saying? They are saying 5 moles we have taken for this and 2 moles we have taken for this, and we are supposed to form barium Ba3PO4 whole twice. Now just see, Ba3, we need 3 and we need only 2 phosphorus. So 2 phosphorus are there, 2 phosphorus are there, 2 phosphorus. So see, for 1 mole of this, we need 2 phosphorus, and only 2 phosphorus are there. You see, this is a limiting reagent, So only 2 phosphorus are there. So only 1 mole of this will get formed. Got it? Always try to find out which one is a limiting reagent. Can you see? You see, in this product, we need at least 2 phosphorus and only 2 phosphorus are given. This is given in excess. You see, to form this, even this is also a limiting reagent only, but 2 will left. How many barium we have used? 3 barium. So 5 minus 3, 2 will left, but this is the limiting reagent. So I hope this is clear to each and every one of you. Now, another question. For the reaction, the standard gives energy. That means we have to find out delta G naught, and we know that it's equal to minus N times Fe naught cell. So what we are supposed to find out, E naught cell, and what they have given for the reaction Fe3 plus, and this E naught cell is given. Nothing we are supposed to do. Answer is there. You see, Fe3 plus and iodine, you have to balance the reaction by cancelling out electrons. Now that is the major problem. How will you cancel out electron? How to find out number of moles of electron? You see, twice of Fe3 plus is giving out twice of Fe2 plus. Now here twice of iodine negative is converting into I2. Now you see, 3 to the 6, 2 to the 4, reduction is taking place. So how many electrons it has gained? You can see it has gained 3 plus to 2 plus, 1 electron is being gained, but it has given out 2 electrons. Can you see? Am I right? Just see to it. Everyone just see to it. Remove these things, and if you are going to remove it, you see I negative got converted into I2, and if I remove this, ferric got converted into ferrous. So what I'm supposed to do, I have multiplied this by whole 2, so I got 2 electrons, twice of this, It is balanced or not? It's balanced or not? Now what is the value of N? If you are able to calculate the value of N, you will get the correct answer, and we know that this is Faraday's constant 96500, and E naught cell is already given. So what you're supposed to do, what should be the correct answer? Minus Bhuvneshwanath is getting minus 46. So everyone, you got it. How to solve it? Is it clear to each and everyone? Just to let me know, is it clear? Everyone, N is equal to 2. So delta G naught is equal to minus N times Fe naught cell, and the value of N is 296,500, and the value is given over there, right? So you can keep the value, you can get the answer. 2 into 96500, and you see that is coming out coulomb per mole. So you can convert it into, and you will get kilojoule, right? Is it clear? Everyone, is it clear? Clear to all of you kids? Is it clear to all of you? So see kilojoules. Here you will get in joules or kilojoules. All P by Q. Shanti Mandal. Yes, very good. Now see. Everyone, is it clear? Clear. Very good. Now next question. If Z is a compressibility factor, van der Waals equation at low pressure can be written as. This question, how many of you are scared of this question? How many of you are scared of this question? How many of you are scared of this question? Okay. Now see, van der Waals equation, we know that van der Waals equation is what? PV is equal to nRT, P plus something V minus something is equal to nRT. For 1 mole it's RT, right? Something. What is something? That even I can write down. What is being something? That even I can write down. Something is P plus AN square upon V square. V minus NB is equal to nRT. Am I right? Now this equation is very big. If I do the derivation, I will take too much time. Right? But if I solve this question in this way, that if you take this axis y1 and this axis to be the x1, and if you write down here, this is the compressibility factor Z, and if you see for hydrogen and helium, this is always like this, hydrogen and helium. They never come down. Now this is the pressure increasing, pressure. And this is compressibility factor, and here it is Z value is given 1. So all other gases, they go like this. All gases, they go like this. At very low pressure over here, and very high pressure, very high pressure, they are over here. And this is the least pressure, they are over here. Right? Now can you answer it? The answer will be this one, because if Z is a compressibility factor, van der Waals equation at low pressure can be written as Z is equal to 1 minus something. Means it will be less than 1. Why it is less than 1? You see the value of Z is 1 over here, and the value of Z is increasing upside, and this is the low pressure area. Can you see? Low pressure area. Got it? And they have given, in the question they have given low pressure area. And now you see, at the least pressure or zero pressure, it's like over here, low pressure area is over here, and very high pressure, the value of Z will be, this Z value will be 1 plus something, right? And here it will be Z value is 1 minus something. I think this is the right approach to solve this question. Everyone got it? Is it clear to all of you? If you know this graph, you can do. Now, see kids, another question. Root mean square value, you can solve it easily. It's very simple question, and see the solution I've given. You should know the formula. Now see, 1 mole of carbon atom weighs 12 grams. The number of atoms in it is equal to. How to solve it? 1 mole carbon weighs, the number of atoms in it is equal to. It's very simple. Easily everyone can get the answer. Everyone can get the answer. What should be the correct answer, kids? Simple question. It's a very simple question. Do let me know, kids. Definitely the weight of 1 mole carbon atom, that means 6.022 into 10 is for 23. 22. Why? 1 mole of carbon weighs 12 gram. The number of atoms in it is equal to, my pyara bachcha, how much? It can't be. It can't be C. It is 1. 1 mole carbon's weight is 12 gram. 1 mole means 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 atoms of carbon 12. So this is the answer, Bhuvneshwanath. Your answer is wrong. First will be the correct answer. Got it? The volume of this much aqueous HBr required to neutralize this much molar barium. Now, barium hydroxide. One thing you should know, that barium hydroxide N factor, the valence factor is 2. And we know that when acid neutralizes base, the law of equivalence, Locke concept, LOCE, law of chemical equivalence. You know law of chemical equivalence. Nana factor, NNF is equal to NNF, N where N represent moles, and that represents N factor. Acid is HBr. The volume of this molar. Molar means molarity. Okay, they are talking about molarity. Now what I should do, this is N factor, or you can do another way, that normality into volume in ml, normality into volume in ml, and that can be written as molarity into N factor into volume in ml, molarity into N factor into volume in ml. So now you can see its molarity is 0.02 and HBr's N factor is 1. So 0.02 into 1, and they're asking for volume. I don't know. Barium hydroxide, they have given 10 ml and 0.01. 0.01 N factor is 2 and volume is given as volume 10 ml. Now solve it. So you can see what we are supposed to find out. Volume. So you see it will go over there. Now I can do one thing. I can multiply it with 100. If this side I am multiplying with 100, that side also I am supposed to multiply with 100. So this will become 2 and this will vanish and that will become 1. So I can get volume like this side. This is 1 into 2 and this will cancel out. 1 and into 20. This is 20 divided by, and this will become 2 divided by 2. So what should be the correct answer? Thank you, Bhuvneshwanath. Now tell me, what should be the correct answer? 20 divided by 2 is 10. 10 will be the correct answer. Loving kids, lovely. See. Baba's explanation. Can you see? They have applied this formula. This is N1V1 is equal to N2V2, right? Law of equivalence, law of chemical equivalence. I think everyone, is it clear? Thank you, Bhuvneshwanath. Sahana, is it clear? Shanti Boy Mandal, again my wrong answer. Okay, no problem. But everyone got it or not? Is it clear? Shanti Boy Mandal, I know. Arey bacha. Now everyone, is it clear? Are you able to understand? No. If you want to take a screenshot, you can take a screenshot. Everyone, got it? Now kids. Arey, wow, very good. Now tomorrow also you want to have a class. पहले मुझे बताओ क्या आप चाहते हो? कल भी क्लास रखूं मॉर्निंग में आप चाहते हो? अगर बोलोगे then only I will keep. I never waste time. I never want to waste time. You have seen in between I was not taking class. People are taking class just for views. If you want in the morning 9, okay. In the morning 9. How many of you want the class? I'm okay. If you are in need of. Okay, fantastic. Wow. No, not 7 to 10. It's not possible. Okay, full physical. Okay, I will try. Now another question. Oh, a heat engine, thermodynamics. It's from thermo. A heat engine carries 1 mole of an ideal gas, monoatomic gas around the cycle as shown over here. They are starting from a pressure, volume constant, no work done. Now from T2 to T1, this is pressure volume. So this is isothermal process, right? Here isothermal work done, isothermal and reversible, because the graph is given. This graph shows reversible work done. So temperature, no. So see, this temperature is given 600 and this temperature is given 450. So it can't be isothermal. It can't be isothermal. This graph was indicating, looking like, it was looking like isothermal. But you see the temperature, because in isothermal, temperature does not change. During isothermal process, temperature does not change, but this is doing expansion and temperature is decreasing. That is indicating it is. No, it's not isothermal. It was looking like isothermal, but in isothermal, change in temperature is 0. So it is adiabatic. It is adiabatic. It is not isothermal. It is adiabatic work done. And adiabatic work done, expansion. So cooling is taking place. Work done by the system is negative. Everyone, this graph B to C graph. 1 point is clear. First of all, do let me know, everyone. Everyone, do let me know. Temperature is decreasing, so it was looking like isothermal, but it's not isothermal. It is adiabatic work done. Cooling is taking place. Work done by the system. W is negative. First point is clear. And here no work done. Work is this isochoric process. First of all, do let me know. Till now everything is clear. Yes, do let me know. Show me the green signal till now. Now from here to here, the temperature once again getting decreased, and here pressure is constant. Change in pressure is 0. So it is isobaric work done. Right, kids. Now what they are asking, select the correct option. A to B, select the correct option. Now what they are asking, what is this R, this R, this R? What they are asking, what should be the correct answer? How to find it is adiabatic. Okay, let me tell you, Shani. See, if I draw this line, pressure, volume. So see the lines Baba is going to draw. This line, this line, this line, and this line. You see, this line is indicating isobaric. Pressure is constant. This line is indicating isochoric. W is 0 because W is equal to minus P delta V and volume change is 0. Isochoric. This is PV is equal to constant. So this is isothermal. Whatever the temperature T1 is over here, T2, T1 will be there. But this is T2. So T1 is greater than T2. So this is your adiabatic, its slope is more. It is steeper. Its slope is more. Now clear? In between isothermal and adiabatic, if it is steeper, it is adiabatic. its temperature is less, T2 is less than T1, and here isothermal, no change in temperature. Now, one thing is clear. First of all, do let me know, is this graph is clear, Shini? All the things I have told you. Now go back. Now go back. Let's see. Now see what they are asking. QA to B. QA to B. We should know first law of thermodynamics. Change in internal energy is equal to Q plus W, or change in internal energy is equal to Q, W is equal to minus P delta V. Now this is known as first law of thermodynamics. Is it clear? Till now everything is clear. Now see everyone. Nahi beta, Shanti Mandal, this question we are doing for the first time. Questions repeat होते हैं because there are some questions are new, some questions are old, इसलिए repeat होते हैं. शांति मोय मंडल बेटा, questions repeat होते हैं. तो अब बताओ what they are asking. Q A to B, कौन सा आंसर सही होगा? Q A to B. See, यहां से यहां तक you see isochoric process. Let me tell you, in isochoric process, what is increasing? Pressure is increasing, but volume is constant. So PV is equal to nRT. Now volume is constant, number of moles and R is constant. So if pressure is increasing, that means what is increasing? Definitely temperature is increasing. And remember that SIET, speed is increasing for ideal gas equation. Internal energy is increasing for that gas, and temperature is also increasing. They are directly proportional. So definitely internal energy is increasing A to B. So see, from here you can see from A to B pressure is increasing. So definitely pressure increases, temperature will also increase. Temperature is increasing on behalf of internal energy. So it cannot, what cannot be the answer? What cannot be the answer? And Q is increasing or decreasing. What will happen? See kids, what is going to happen? So which option is correct? From A to B, how to get it? A to B, the volume is constant, so we can write down CB, change in internal energy, is equal to NCB delta T. Why NCB delta T? Because first law of thermodynamics says change in internal energy is Q plus W, and this has gone, so delta U is equal to Q. Over here change in internal energy is equal to Q, and Q is equal to NCB delta T. NCB delta T, you can see the change in temperature, and 1 mole of gas is given, and CV. Now for monoatomic gas, what will be the value of CV? Remember that the formula for CV, सिव ही है डिग्री ऑफ फ्रीडम का आधार, आधा R, शिव जी ही है डिग्री ऑफ फ्रीडम का आधार. For monoatomic gas, the value of translatory motion, the degree of freedom is equal to 3. So if I keep over here 3 by 2 R, the value of CV is equal to 3 by 2 R. Am I right kids? 3 by 2 R, very good. 3 by 2 R. So I can get 3 by 2 R over here. So N is equal to 3 by number of moles given only 1 into 3 by 2 R, and change in temperature final minus initial 150 into 3, 450. And anything else? Have I missed anything? R 450 R, or what answer I should get? Q is equal to delta NCV delta T. How much I will get kids? Gamma 5 by 3. Gamma is required or not required? CP. Now from here pressure and volume. So we can get the QAB, monitoring the cycle, they have given QAB, CACB. So what we are getting, kids? Kids, from here to here, the value is coming out 150, 450 by 2R. But no option is getting 4 by 50 by 2R. Option 4 eliminated. Yeah, option 4 is eliminated, but 2 is not coming now. This 2 and all the options they are giving 450R. Why 2 is, where 2 is missing, kids? Delta T is 300. Oh, this I have written wrong. See, this I have written wrong. 600 minus 300 is 300. This I have written wrong over here. See, kids, this should be 300. That's the value I have kept wrong. Now it's coming right, 450. So 450, 450, 450, all three are there. So see, kids, we know each and everything, but the value I have kept wrong. 600 minus 300, it was 300 and I have kept 150. So all three options. Now QC2A, C2A, C2A, pressure is constant, pressure is constant. So kids, you see, this is undergoing compression, volume is decreasing, compression, and pressure is constant, pressure is constant. So compression is taking place. Remember that PV is equal to nRT, PV is equal to nRT, and pressure is constant, R is constant, R is constant. Now volume is decreasing. If volume is decreasing, volume is directly proportional to temperature. Volume decreases, so temperature will decrease. And if temperature is decreasing, I have told you SIET, speed will decrease, internal energy will decrease, temperature will decrease, and temperature is decreasing, Q is increasing. So minus, how much it will come out? How much it will come? Do let me know how much it will come. Temperature decreases, internal energy will decrease. So it will come out how much? Now see, we can solve it clearly. Third is the correct answer for this question. Your answer is this one coming out clearly. It's a long question. It's a long question. Now you see, at constant volume this, and at constant pressure NCP delta T. Now how to apply NCP delta T and how to find it out? So now see, I have told you CB is equal to degree of freedom ka आधा R, half R. Now we know that Cp minus Cb is equal to R. So Cp is equal to R plus Cb. So for monoatomic gas, we know that Cp will be equal to R plus Cb. Cb was 3 by 2R and plus 1R. This was dead R and 1R. That means 1R plus 1.5R. That is 2.5R, or I can write 5 by 2R. Is it clear? Now apply the formula for Cp. We know that Cp, change in internal energy at constant pressure, and Cp. So we know that. Now, can you apply the formula NCP delta T? NCP delta T. N1 Cp is equal to 5 by 2R. 5 by 2R, and change in temperature was 300. So you can see very clearly this is 150, 15, you got it, kids? Everyone, you got it? Is it clear, kids? Do let me know. Is it clear? Very much clear to all of you. It is very much clear to all of you, kids. This question is really fantastic one. Now you see, 5 by 2r, 5 by 2r. Now you can apply the formula, but change in temperature is not 300, 450 and 300. I have kept 300. It's not, it's final. Final is this, initial is 1, C2A. So final minus initial, minus 300, 450. It is minus 150, minus 150. So in this formula, write down not 300, right here minus 150. How much? Minus 150. Remember that, don't do that mistake. That was the earlier temperature. You can see this temperature was for this equation. This temperature change, this was for this equation, 600 and 300. That was 300. But C2A, this is final, this is initial. Final minus initial, this is less, this is more. So 100 and minus 150 will come out, minus 150. So minus 150. So you can't cancel out. What you're supposed to do, so either you can divide it like this, 15 75 minus 750 divided by 2. What is the half of 750? Tell me what is, why not using delta P delta V? No, 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 don't use that. Why? Okay, let me tell you, Sahana, let me come to that. Don't use delta V, delta P, I will tell you. Now what is this? 750. 2 3 6 1 2 7 14 पंजे minus 375, minus 375, minus 375 are. Now one question is coming from Sahana side, why we are not using delta P or delta V? Let me tell you, Sahana. Remember that if I say W is equal to minus P external into delta V, this is this formula we have to use only for irreversible. This is for irreversible. Now if anything is done reversibly, then W is equal to, this will be small w, because very small change in what, minus P external dV. Now very slow process, then P internal will be equal to P external. So I can write here minus P internal dV, and we know that in place of P internal, that is the gas pressure. So I can use PV is equal to nRT. So P is equal to nRT by V. So if I write here minus in place of P internal nRT upon V into dV by V. So it will come out and we have to integrate it, then we will get the formula. So remember that such type of things are valid for reversible, and if anything is moving reversibly, we have to use very small change. Got it? Sahana and Bhuvneshnath, everyone got it? So the answer is clear. So one thing also let me make clear, PV raised to power gamma constant, TV raised to power gamma minus 1 constant, T raised to power gamma and P raised to power gamma minus 1, T raised to power gamma and P raised to power 1 minus gamma is constant. These formulas are valid only for reversible process. Reversible. These are not valid for irreversible process. Sahana, these are not valid for irreversible. One more thing. If I say W is equal to minus 2.303 nRT log V2 upon V1. This is valid for reversible work done only, reversible isothermal. It's not valid for irreversible. If we want to use for irreversible, we have to write W is equal to minus P external delta V. This is for reversible on irreversible. This is for irreversible. For reversible, we have to use this formula, and for irreversible, we have to use this formula, because in that, whenever see log is coming out, V2 upon V1, this is coming out, that means we must have done very, very small work, very, very small work, that is equal to minus nRT ln minus nRT dV by V. Definitely we must have done the integration of small w, that is equal to minus nRT and integration of dV by V, and that integration is giving this. This is for reversible because it is moving very, very slowly, and that's why we are getting this formula. And here the change in volume is very steep change, बहुत big change in very, very less time, big change in very, very less time. So this formula, this big change, but in infinite steps, this is taking place in infinite steps, and this is taking place in finite steps. Finite steps means this is taking place speedily. I think pani pee lijiye Bhuvneshwar. Now got it. When to use delta V, when we cannot use delta V. This is a very, very important thing in thermodynamics. Everyone got it? Everyone got it? Just to let me know, kids, when to use delta V and when not to use. Sahana, got it. Now, the standard reduction potential of half cells are given below. The number of metal which will be oxidized by NO3 in aqueous solution. Now see what is happening. What's happening? NO3 negative, N is in +5 oxidation state over here, and here N is +2. So +5 to +2, definitely it has gained electron, it is undergoing reduction. It is undergoing reduction, and its reduction power is this much. Now, what are you supposed to do? You have to construct a cell, and you have to find out whether E0 cell is coming positive or negative. If E0 cell is coming positive, delta G0 will come negative, because delta G0 is equal to minus n times F E0 cell. And if E0 cell is coming positive, it will come negative. If that is coming negative, it will come positive. So it has to come positive. Now where it will come positive? Where it will come positive? That you have to find out, that you have to construct the values, that you have to put the values. How to put the values? You see, this will undergo reduction. This is undergoing reduction. Its power to undergo reduction is this much. Means positive. Its power to undergo reduction is negative. -1, negative value is more, positive value is less. Its power to undergo reduction is very, very less. It was least, it is less. Its power to undergo reduction is very good. So it will undergo reduction. That also wants to undergo reduction. So if that is undergoing reduction, something should undergo oxidation. So if I say, if I make it to undergo oxidation, it will be plus 0.04. If it wants to undergo oxidation, then only it can undergo reduction. It can undergo reduction, so it has to undergo oxidation. Its power is plus 1 point, and its power to undergo oxidation is more. Wow, that's fantastic. So what do you think? What do you think? It will not undergo oxidation? No, because its power to undergo reduction is more. So they won't undergo oxidation, means silver and gold will not undergo oxidation. So they will not undergo oxidation. So they will not undergo oxidation. So who will undergo oxidation? So definitely answer C. How many of they will undergo oxidation? 3. Oh yeah, yo. 1, 2, and 3. How 3? Let's see. E0 cell should be greater than 0 for electrodes having oxidation potential greater than this E0 cell. So Ag, iron, and vanadium. Now let's see how Ag. These two are okay, but see, let's Ag. Ag Okay, let's construct it. If I say this will undergo oxidation, this will undergo reduction. So E naught cell, E cell will be equal to, or E naught cell will be equal to E cathode, E cathode, E right minus E left, or I can say E cathode reduction potential plus E anode reduction potential, or I can say E cathode reduction potential and E anode oxidation potential. I can write like that also, or I can write down E naught cell is equal to E naught cathode RP reduction potential plus E naught anode reduction potential, both to be the reduction potential. Now let's see, this is reduction potential and this is also reduction potential. So this plus this will come out to be, E naught cell will come out to be, now this is V2 plus V and this is this. So this is reduction potential. This is reduction potential value is given. This is also reduction potential value is given. So it's coming out how much, kids? Otherwise, if I say oxidation potential, if I'm going to form its oxidation potential, so the sign will get changed. E naught, E cathode minus E anode. If I take both to be the reduction potential, this value will come out to be negative. This value will come out to be negative. Now you see reduction potential of cathode and anode oxidation potential. So if I convert into anode oxidation potential, this will convert into V2 plus 1.19. In both the two cases, this will get add up and this will come out positive. Here also, if I convert into this, this will get add up and this will come out like this. Now if I do the oxidation Ag to Ag plus, it will be minus 0.80. Now if I put over here this one, you see the cathode will come out to be 0.97, and this is coming out minus 0.80. Oh, it's coming out positive. That's why this one also. Now if I check for this Au2 Au3 plus, now it will come out minus 1.40, and if I put over here, then it is 0.97 and it is minus 1.40. It's coming out negative. So only this will not go and these three will go. Oh, great. Kids, पानी पी लीजिए. ओके, पानी पीता हूं. बट मुझे बताओ ये आया. दिस क्वेश्चन वॉज लुकिंग लाइक वेरी वेरी डेंजरस क्वेश्चन. किड्स, बहुत डेंजरस क्वेश्चन है. इट वॉज लुकिंग लाइक टू. It was looking like two, kids. It was looking like definitely these two will not undergo, but silver ने धोखा दे दिया, चांदी ने धोखा दे दिया. 3 will go, only this will not go, kids, because very good question. अब मुझे बताओ सेकंड्स में कैसे करना है. ओके, लेट मी ड्रिंक वाटर. कितने लोग चाहते हो सेकंड्स में ये क्वेश्चन कर लें? पहले बताओ. कितने लोग सेकंड्स में ये क्वेश्चन करना चाहते हैं? बिकॉज हमने बहुत ज्यादा टाइम लिया इस क्वेश्चन को करने में. कितने लोग इस क्वेश्चन को सेकंड्स में करना चाहते हैं? मुझे बताओ प्यारे बच्चा लोग. देखते ही हो जाए सेकंड्स में ये क्वेश्चन. कितने लोग चाहते हो इलेक्ट्रोकेमिस्ट्री का ये शानदार क्वेश्चन? इलेक्ट्रोकेमिस्ट्री का ये शानदार क्वेश्चन कितने लोग चाहते हो? नाउ सी किड्स, पहले तो हम फॉर्मूले में कंफ्यूज हो जाते हैं. सी, फर्स्ट फोकस ऑन द फॉर्मूला. E naught cell हमने ये पढ़ा E right minus E left, one formula. ये कब वैलिड होता है? दिस इज वैलिड व्हेन वी आर हैविंग रिडक्शन पोटेंशियल and this is also reduction potential. We have studied this formula. Never go with this formula. Why never go with this formula? We know that at anode oxidation takes place. So at anode always go for SOP value, and at cathode reduction takes place, so always go for SRP. So if you keep over here E naught cell, this keep to be the SRP E, right? That means cathode standard reduction potential value at cathode, it's okay. Now if you write SOP here, SOP, the sign will get changed, plus E left SOP, that is the anode, and we know that this was the cell, here was the zinc terminal, here was the copper terminal. If you remember, this was zinc, this was copper, and attached through galvanometer, you remember. Now this should come out positive, E naught should come out positive, then only delta G naught, because that is minus N times F E naught cell will come out negative. Now when this will come out positive? It will come out positive when which value is more? The sum should be come out more. That means if this is negative, that should be more. If that is positive, that should be more. The one which one is positive, because both the sign, if both are positive, 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 no problem at all. Definitely it will come out positive only. So no need to solve it. In this case, no need for solving. No need for solving. Now, if any value is negative, either this value is negative or this value is negative, the positive magnitude should be more. In case of negative and positive, the magnitude of positive should be more. Positive should be more. One thing is clear, that the magnitude of positive should be more. Got it? Now let's see once again the same question. Once again, let's go with the same question. This is fixed, this one is fixed, and this is SRP. Your SRP is fixed. Now convert them to be oxidation, because they all are given SRP. All the values they are given to be SRP. If I write down to be SOP, this will come out 1.19. Now see, positive and positive will come out positive. So answer this SOP, all the values to be SOP, positive 0.04. This is also answer, because positive, this is positive. Positive and positive E naught shell will 100% will come out to be positive. Now if I keep this to be SOP minus 0.80, now this one is more or this one is more? This is negative and that is positive. That one is more, so E naught cell will come out positive. Now here if I convert it minus 1.40, that one is less, this one is more, so E naught shell will be decided by this value, and it is negative, so it will come out to be negative. Now got it? Hence solved. Now just in fraction of second it is getting solved or not. Now earlier it took 10 minutes. Earlier it took 10 minutes to solve it. Earlier it took 10 minutes to solve it, and then also we got the wrong answer. We got the wrong answer because we got like that. But here just in fraction of seconds we are getting the correct answer by applying the approach Answer in seconds. Answer in air. Because chemistry is in air. Answer is in air. Got it, kids? How many of you are able to understand? Do let me know. Bhuvneshwar Nath, मजा आया? Sahana, मजा आया? Oh, ads are coming. Oh, Salvi Singh. Baba is looking like a celebrity. Ads are coming. Skip them. Skip the ads. Now I think 15 minutes more. 15 minutes more. Everything will get sorted. Now, sodium metal. Now, not in syllabus. At solid state. Not required. A first order reaction which is 30% completed in 30 minutes will have half-life period. Okay, 30% got completed. Now you have to solve it. Now you have to solve it. Now, definitely half-life period, 30 minutes, half-life period of this. So let's see. Let's find out K. K is equal to 2. K is equal to 2.303 upon T log of A upon A minus X. So K we have to find out. 2.303 upon time is 30 minutes log of A. Initial, let's take 100 and 30% got completed. So how much is left? Left amount. Do let me know. Left amount will be 30% got completed. So left amount will be 70%. 70%. So let's solve it for 2.303 upon 30 log of 100 upon 70. How much gets? This will go 7 1 ja 7 7 3 7 चौक 28 1.4. log 1 is 0 and log 2. Kids, log 1 is 0, log 2 is 0.3. So it's 1.4 something 0.2. Can I write 0.2? 2.303 upon 30 into 0.2. Can I write like this? Something like this. So 0.2, 0.23. So 2.3 into 2.2, 2 3 6, 2 4, 4.6 upon 30. 4.6 upon 30. Can you solve it? 4.6 upon 30, 70. 70 means, Sahana, 70 means just solve it. Have I done it correctly, kids? Now, if I solve it, I will get 3 and let me say 46 upon multiplied by 10, then it will be 300. 3 into 10 is for minus 2. 3 एकम 3, 1 तिप 6 15, 3 त्रिका 9 means into 10 is for minus 2, something like 0.0153, 120. First of all, do let me know this is correct or not correct, kids. Do let me know. 15.3 into 10 is for minus 2. Now they are asking T half. So 15.3. So we know that T half is equal to 0.693 upon K, and K we have got. So 0.693 upon K is 15.3 into 10 is for minus 2. That will go up. So it will come out 69.3 upon 15.3. So 15 15 30 15 15 चौको 60. How much it is coming? How much it is coming? Calculation is right or wrong, kids? Calculation is right or wrong? Calculation is right or wrong? But here it's coming a little bit different. You see, 15 tiya 45, 15 चौकू 60. It's not coming. So I think their log value I have kept wrong. This log value, something here it's wrong. It's wrong over here. See? Log 1.4. Use calculator and tell me log 1.4. Log 1.4. Let me see. Log 1.4, kids. Because log value they have to give. They have to give the log value. Let me check it. A little bit error is there. So let me check log 1.4. Log 100, first of all. 10 by 7. 10 divided by 7 is equal to 1.42, and 1.42 log 1.42 log is 0.152. 0.152. I have kept it over here. 0.152. It's 0.152. 0.152 and 0.152. So the everything will get a little bit change. So definitely it will come near about this. A rough calculation Baba has done. Baba has done a rough calculation, kids, right? So see, if you multiply it by this, if you multiply 2.3 into 0.152 and divided by 30, that is coming out 0.011. It's coming out 0.011. 0.011. Now let's check it out. Once again, let me cross check it. 2.303 multiplied by 0.152, 0.35. Now 0.35 divided by 0.30, 0.05. Once again, let me check it out. This one is right or wrong? This one is right or wrong? Let me check it out. 2.3 into 0.152 is equal to 0.34. 0.34 divided by 0.34. 0.34 divided by 30 is equal to 0.01. So again, 2.3 multiplied by 0.152, that is equal to 0.34. 0.34 divided by 30. 0.34 divided by 30 is equal to 0.011. Just check it out, kids. 0.011 is right or wrong? Okay, I will solve it within fraction of second. I will tell you how to solve it. I will tell you how to solve it, kids, right? Log 10 minus log 7 also we can do it. Oh, that's really nice. Okay. Now, this question we can solve like this also. Log 10 minus log 7. Very good. So no need to give the value. Log 10 is 1 and log 7 is 0.84. So 1 minus 0.84, 10 में से 4 गया 6, 9 में से 8 गया 1 and 0.16. 0.16, 0.16, 0.152, and it's coming 0.16, approximately clear. So it's coming like this. Either we can write 0.16 and like this. So we are getting 0.011. Shall we sing? Is it clear? We are getting, and we can solve like that also, right? We are getting 0.011. Now 0.011, if we solve it, we know that T half for first order reaction 0.693 upon K. So 0.693 upon the value of K, we are getting 0.011, 0.011. So can I write like this? So multiply by 100, we will get 69.3 upon 1.1, 1.1. Okay, 69.3 divided by 1.1. So I can write 693 divided by 11. Can I write 11 5s are 55, 11 6s are 66. So yes, now see, the values they are given too much far away. See, the values 102 not possible, 24 not possible, 120 not possible. So this is the correct answer. Now, how many of you want to do it without any calculation? How many of you want to do this without any calculation? Without calculation. Without calculation. How many of you want to do? Do let me know. Without calculation. कितने लोगों को बिना किसी कैलकुलेशन के ये क्वेश्चन करना है बताओ. We know that we start from 100 gram in first T half, it will become 50 gram, and in second T half it will become 25 gram. That means in the starting the amount is decreasing very fast. The sense is, since we are getting in the starting the amount is decreasing very, very speedily. Am I right? Am I right or not? That means if 30% is completed in 30 minutes, if 30% is completed in 30 minutes, हाँ भुवनेश्वर नाथ, मैं बताऊंगा एग्जाम में भी बिना कैलकुलेशन के कैसे सॉल्व करोगे. ये देखो 100 ग्राम टू 50 ग्राम टी हाफ इतना लगा, और 100 ग्राम टू 25 ग्राम टू टी हाफ. अगर मैं कहूं कि टी हाफ इज 10 मिनट्स, तो 10 मिनट्स में 100 से 50 ग्राम, बट 20 मिनट्स में 20 मिनट 10 and 10 20 मिनट्स में 100 से 25 ग्राम. Only this much is left. Means फर्स्ट टी हाफ में 50 ग्राम गायब हो गया, फर्स्ट सेकंड टी हाफ में से 25 ग्राम गायब हुआ. दैट मीन्स स्टार्टिंग में ज्यादा गायब हुआ. स्टार्टिंग में ज्यादा गायब हुआ तो 30% कंप्लीटेड इन 30 मिनट्स. मैं बोलूं अगले कितने मिनट में 20% जाएगा. 20% क्या 30 मिनट में जाएगा? नहीं जाएगा. 30 मिनट में क्या अगला 20% क्या अगला 30% क्या 30 मिनट्स लेगा? ज्यादा लेगा. 20% भी ज्यादा लेगा, ज्यादा इससे ज्यादा लेगा. 30 मिनट से ज्यादा लेगा, 30 मिनट से ज्यादा लेगा. इट विल टेक मोर देन 30 मिनट्स. सो ये वाला तो ऑप्शन होगा नहीं. अब कितना ज्यादा लेगा? थोड़ा ही तो ज्यादा लेगा. अब थोड़ा ज्यादा कितना है? 100 and 220 पॉसिबल ही नहीं, तो एक ही तो पॉसिबल है 58 मिनट्स. Are you getting my point? It will take more time, so more time in 30% got completed in 30 minutes, so more than 30, a little bit more than this. Are you getting my point, kids? बस दो तीन क्वेश्चन है शांतिमय मंडल, दो तीन क्वेश्चन है. Now you must have got it, everyone. You must have got it, kids. First of all, do let me know, have you got it or not? Have you got it or not? ये वाला क्वेश्चन इजीली आया कि नहीं आया, पहले मुझे बताओ. इजीली आया कि नहीं आया आपको ये क्वेश्चन? Do let me know, have you solved it easily or not? Everyone just do let me know. Kids, fast, do let me know, have you got it or not? ये वाला क्वेश्चन समझ में आया इजीली, कैसे सॉल्व करेंगे? Now see, an aqueous solution freezes at this, Kf is this. What is the elevation in boiling point? So for elevation in boiling point, delta Tb is equal to Kbm. Molality we will get from here, delta Tf is equal to Kfm. Delta Tf they have given, freezes is this, so 0.186 is delta Tf. Kf they have given, Kf 1.86, so molality we can get, molality is equal to 0.186 upon 1.86. so how much is the difference? 1 by 10. This is bigger, this is bigger, so 1 by 10. Molality is 1 by 10. Molality we got 1 by 10, so keep over here delta T is equal to Kbm. Kb is given, Kb is minus, I don't think minus, it should be plus, let's see, 0.512, and molality is 1 by 10, that is 0.1, so I will get 0.0512, so Tb. So how much there, what is the elevation point? 0.0512. No, nowhere it's negative is given, so it will not be negative, it will be positive. So what will be the answer, kids? Do let me know. D will be the answer. D is the correct answer. Everyone got it? Now next question. A certain orbital has n is equal to 4 and m1 is equal to this, the number of radial nodes. So my dear students, n is equal to 4 and ml is -3. -3, that means L will be how much? We know that if L is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, so the value of M reaches from -L to plus L, -L to plus L, and this is 3. So that means it should be n is equal to 4. If n is equal to 4, so the value of L will be equal to n minus 1, 0, 1, 2, up to 3 it will go. So S, P, D, F. So F is there, and F the number of radial node, that means it is 4F. So the number of radial nodes, radial node formula is equal to n minus L minus 1. So n minus L minus 1, 4 minus 3 minus 1. So it's coming out how much? 0 radial node or spherical nodes are coming out. Either I can say radial node or spherical node is 0. Everyone got it? It's clear. Either you can do it like this, or you can do the visualization. This is the nucleus. This is the nucleus and the first orbit, second orbit, third orbit, fourth orbit, the starting of 4F from here. So 4F will have radial nodes 0 or spherical nodes 0. So this you can do quickly, kids, without any formula. Now if I say here is 1s, 2s, 3s, 4s, so without formula you can find out. For 1s, 0 radial node. For 2s, 1s, 2s, 3s, 4s, the number of radial nodes or spherical nodes we can get. For 1s, no, 0, so 2s, 1 radial node. So 3s, 2 radial nodes. Now 4s, 1, 2, 3 radial nodes. So this is without any formula, and that question we have done with the formula. I hope that it's clear, right? 0. Now another question. The number of moles of electron required to deposit 1 gram equivalent of aluminium Now 1 gram equivalent of aluminum, that means we know that Q is equal to NF and Q is equal to IT. So Q is equal to NF. The number of moles of electron aluminum, we know that Al3 plus 3 electrons will give aluminum solid. So my dear students, Q 3 moles of electron. So to deposit 27 gram of aluminum, we need NF is equal to 3 moles of electron. 3 moles of electrons we need. They are saying the number of mole of electron required to deposit 1 gram equivalent. Now 1 gram equivalent aluminum's N factor is 3. So we are getting 3 gram equivalent. So 1 gram equivalent from a solution. Atomic weight is from a solution of aluminum chloride. So what should, oh, answer is already given. Already the answer is given. Oh my God. Already I have opened this. Paper कैसा आएगा? Paper will be easy. Let me tell you, Krishna is asking कैसा paper आएगा? Paper will be super easy. Kids, don't ask paper कैसा आएगा? Paper easy आएगा. 3 Faraday, yes. 1 gram equivalent. 1 gram equivalent. The number of moles of electron required to deposit kids, किसी को मत समझ में नहीं आ रहा हो 1 gram equivalent means what? 1 gram equivalent means what? 1 gram equivalent means what? The number of moles of electron required to deposit 1 gram equivalent of aluminum. What do you mean by 1 gram equivalent? 1 gram equivalent means what? Easy नहीं चाहिए शालवी सिंह. अरे ओके शांति. Easy for dedicated students. जो intelligent है उनके लिए easy आएगा. Paper, let me tell you, those who are hard working students, if hard working students are there, the paper will be easy. And those who are not hard working, the paper will be tough. Simple. So paper is easy or tough? Paper is easy or tough? It's like this. Now, yes, 1 equivalent. Yes, now let's come back to the question. That question was the number of moles of electrons. So see kids, if I say Al3 plus 3 electrons will form aluminum. That means this, if I say 3 electrons or 3 moles electrons will form 1 mole sodium, 1 mole aluminum. And we know that aluminum is 27 gram. If I say its N factor is 3, N factor is 3. So this 1 by 3 is 1 equivalent. That means 1 mole aluminum means 3 equivalent aluminum. 1 mole aluminum means 3 equivalent aluminum. Are you getting my points? So 1 equivalent aluminum will require 1 electron. 1 electron, not 3 electrons. 1 equivalent will require 1 electron only. Now once again see the question kids. One gram equivalent will require the number of moles of electrons. Now, what should be the number of moles of electrons? 3 moles electrons are depositing 3 equivalents of aluminium. So, don't you think this answer is given to be the wrong? This answer is wrong or right, kids? Definitely you will say yes, sir. So 3 moles of electrons will deposit 3 equivalents of aluminium. So 1 mole of electron will deposit 1 equivalent of aluminium. Got it? Everyone got it or not? Very good. This was the required thing. Now, the declaration of 1 mole of carbon, the moles of H2O2 required. Now remember that Nana factor NNF is equal to NNF. So if I write down for KMnO4, for KMnO4, this is for KMnO4, this is for H2O2. Remember that H2O2 N factor is 2. The moles of H2O2, this is, they are asking KMnO4, 1 mole of KMnO4, N factor, nothing they have given. So always remember that N factor is 5. If nothing is given, treat it to be acidic medium by yourself, 5. So the value of N will come out to be 5 by 2, 5 by 2, 5 by 2 will be the correct answer. Everyone got it, 5 by 2. Very good, Shantibhai Mandal, 5 by 2 is the correct answer. Now, when this much ammonia is mixed with this much of helium, what is the pH of the solution required? Now see, 50 ml 0.1 milliequivalents. Remember that milliequivalents. What is milliequivalents, kids? Normality into volume in ml, that is milliequivalent. Normality or molarity 50.150, that's 5, and HCl is 10 into 1. HCl, this is about ammonia, this is HCl. Milliequivalents are given 10 into 0.1, 1. This is the limiting reagent. This is the limiting reagent. So 1 will react with this. So it's 4 will left, and 1 milliequivalents of ammonium chloride will get formed, and ammonia will be in excess as ammonium hydroxide, right, kids? 4 equivalents of ammonium hydroxide will left. So it's weak base and salt of strong acid. So buffer solution has got formed. Buffer solution has got formed. Buffer, basic buffer got formed. Basic buffer, Henderson's-Hasselbalch equation, POH is equal to PKB plus log of concentration of salt upon concentration of base, concentration of salt upon concentration of base, kids. PKB is given 4.75, concentration of salt is given to be 1 milliequivalent, and that is being 1 by 4. So definitely 1 by 4 log value will be 1, and this, so answer will come out how much? They are asking for the pH. So pH will be coming out something like here, and pH will be 9.25. Let's see, 9.25, but here it's 9.85. Shantibhai Mandal, let's see. pH is equal to PKB plus log of concentration salt upon base 4.75 log 1 by 4. Now how to solve log 1 by 4? Log 1 minus log 4. Log 1 minus log 4. Let me check it out. Log 1 is 0. Log 1 is 0. Log 4 minus log 4. Log 4 is 3.6. 0.6. We know that 0.6. So 0.6, 4.75, and that is coming out negative 0.60. So 5 साथ में से 6 गया 1, 4.15, 14 minus 4.15 is 9.85. Got it, everyone? 9.85. Is it clear, everyone? 9.85. Everyone got it? Is it clear, everyone, what I have solved? See, are you able to understand the limiting reagent? Ammonia was 5 milliequivalent and HCl was 1 milliequivalent. This was present in excess, always solve like this, and this was the limiting reagent will decide the product. So 1 milli equivalent of ammonium chloride got formed and 4 milli equivalent were left, and it was salt of strong acid and weak base, and this was weak base was left, so it was a poor buffer, but it was buffer. So Henderson's Hasselbalch equation, POH is equal to pKb plus log of concentration of salt upon base. I think this is clear. Now, and log 4, how to calculate log 4? You can write down log 2 square. So 2 log 2. Now log 2 to everyone knows 0.3010. So it will come out 0.6010, and log 1 is 0. So you can solve it immediately. Now gets another question. Okay, completed. We have solved organic, inorganic and physical. Everything got sorted. So this was all for today. Tomorrow I will come with the last one, and tomorrow I will come with the NCERT questions only. Tomorrow I will come with handwritten NCERT questions, and tomorrow handwritten, and that questions will definitely come. These questions will also come. Tomorrow's handwritten questions, I will come with handwritten questions and most expected questions, most expected, or you can say sure shot, those questions will come in your examination. Most expected, or you can say 100%, or better to say 99.9% questions will come from tomorrow's session. Okay, bye to all of you. Take care and don't get irritated or don't get scared of anything, right? Selection हो जाएगा, कल बताऊंगा. कल tomorrow I will let you know कि selection कैसे होगा और कैसे होगा. कल बाबा बताएंगे, right? Okay, Bhuvneshwar Nath, Shanti Moy Mandal, tomorrow I will let you know कि selection कैसे होगा और कैसे नहीं होगा, right? Tomorrow Baba will tell you कि selection के लिए क्या करना है. For selection क्या करना है. Tomorrow I will let you know, everyone. Bye to all of you. Bye bye. Take care. Okay. डरना मना है. बाबा कल तुमको टिप्स देगा कि कैसे selection होना है. Okay. Okay, Kingsman, Shantimoy, YouTube, CoolTube, Sahana, everyone. Shalvi, Bhuvneshwar Nath, everyone. Shalvi Singh, Bhuvneshwar Nath, 1111, Sahana, everyone. Bye to all of you. Bye to all of you. जिनका नाम नहीं लिया उनको भी. Take care. कल मिलते हैं, right?